In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add before and after slider section on Shopify, free. A before and after slider is a powerful way to showcase transformations. Think product results, edits, or refurbishments by letting shoppers drag a handle to compare two images. We'll add this using a free Sections app, right from your Shopify admin, so you don't need to edit code. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your Themes area to make sure you're in the right store view. From there, open the main navigation and go to Home to anchor yourself on the dashboard. Next, go to Apps. This is where we'll find the tool that gives you a before and after slider as a drag and drop section. Use the search to find Section Store Theme Sections. When you see the listing, click through to its Shopify App Store page. Take a moment to review the screenshots, description, and permissions so you know what it adds to your theme. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and approve the installation to add the app to your store. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll land on a clean dashboard. Click My Sections to see what's available and how sections are managed in your theme. If you're new to this kind of app, pop into the quick guide for a short overview. It explains how sections are added and where they appear in the theme editor. There's also a Help and Resources area if you want deeper documentation or troubleshooting tips later. Now, click Explore Sections to browse the library. Head into the Trending Now category to quickly find popular, high-converting blocks. That's where you'll find the before and after slider. The app will guide you to add it into your theme with a simple prompt, and once it's in, you can position it anywhere in your online store theme editor, on the home page, a landing page, or even a product page template. A few quick tips to get professional results. Prepare two images with the same dimensions and similar framing so the slider feels smooth and aligned. Keep file sizes optimized for speed. Compressed JPEGs or WebPs usually work well. Add descriptive alt text to both images for accessibility and SEO. In the section settings, you can usually adjust the handle's starting position, add concise labels like before and after, and optionally include a short caption that explains the transformation in one sentence. When you're done, preview the page and test the slider on desktop and mobile to confirm it's responsive and performs well. Save and publish, and your before and after showcase is live. No coding required and completely free to implement.